Hi everyone, my name is Maddie. I'm an engineering science major here at Penn State. Have you ever wanted to write a secret message to your friends? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ink, and we're also going to learn about acid-base reactions. For this experiment, all you need is paper, paper towels, some cube tips, baking soda, and some type of red acidic juice. For this experiment, I'm using fruit punch and lemon juice, but grape juice also works well. First, we're going to mix a quarter cup of water with a tablespoon of baking soda. The baking soda should completely dissolve. Then, take your Q-tip, dip it in the solution, and write your secret message. Wait 5 minutes for the papers to dry. After the paper is dried, take a paintbrush or a paper towel and dab the juice onto the paper to reveal the hidden message. This is an example of an acid-base reaction. The acid in the juice reacts with the baking soda, which is basic, and the colored dye makes the reaction visible. I hope you enjoyed this fun craft as we learned about acid-base reactions. Can't wait to see what you guys create!
Like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you.